Today I will discuss about most commonly asked question of nursing research. And the first one is spread of dispersion is expressed by mean, standard deviation, mode, median. And the correct answer is standard deviation. Now the next. Relationship between weight in kg and height in centimeter can be shown in bar diagram, scattered plot, histogram or pie chart. And the correct answer is scattered plot. Now the next. The variable which is influenced by the intervention of the researcher is called as independent, dependent, discrete or extraneous. And the correct answer is dependent. Now the next. Statement of the expected relationship between two or more variable is known as the assumption, hypothesis, problem statement or research question. And the correct answer is hypothesis. Now the next. Which of the following term describes the boundaries that the researcher has set for the study? And the option are assumption, hypothesis, conceptual framework and delimitation. And the correct answer is delimitation. Now the next. Which of the following is an example of dichotomous variable? And the option are age, gender, educational status and occupation. And the correct answer is gender. Now the next. The degree to which an instrument measures what it is supposed to be measuring is its internal consistency, validity, sensitivity and reliability. And the correct answer is validity. Now the next. The degree of consistency with which an instrument measures the attribute it is supposed to be measuring is called validity, reliability, sensitivity or objectivity. And the correct answer is reliability. Now the next question. Subset of a population is called as study population, target population, sample or unit. And the correct answer is sample. Now the next question. The term SMART specifies which objectives? And the answer is SMART specifies specific, measurable, achievable, realistic and timely.